What's up, guys? Test, test, 1 2 1 2. Can y'all hear me? Yeah. All right, we do what we gotta do. Can y'all hear me? Test 1 2. There we go. Now y'all can hear me. Okay. You're listening to the smooth sound. Dude, why did my mic unmute again? Test 1 2. Okay, good. Y'all can hear me. I don't know why my mic keeps muting. But are you buying the crypto dip? Everything's down. I wonder why. Crypto down, Bitcoin down 10%, Ethereum down more than that. Does anybody know the reason for this drop? Yeah. Y'all can hear me now, right? I guess the obvious question is, are you buying the crypto dip? You know, I think that's the obvious question. I mean, I'm certainly buying it. You know, the question is, are you buying the crypto dip? And that's what I'm asking the poll for today. The poll for today. Are you buying this crypto dip? Let me know. The new COVID variant. Okay. What's up, Smoke? Hey, what's up? What's up, Antonino? What's up, brother? Yeah, markets are down, crypto down, precious metals up, treasury prices up, yields down. Thank you, Beach Bum. That's tough. That's a rough pawn. Sorry to hear that, brother. Wish you the best, dude. Sounds tough. We got AHPV at like 980s. BIMI at 92.5. That's rough, dude. Travel, cruise, airline stocks. Hey, thank you, Martin. Really? Same thing's happening to you, Ali B? Sounds rough. Hey, we got some early Christmas music playing, I guess. Yeah, AHPI is probably the best looking stock right now. It looks good. It's moving. Hey, good luck, Lou. All right, so far on this poll, we've got 65% of people think yes, they are buying the crypto dip. 35% people think no. What's up, Phineas? Shorting stuff, Kim? I could try to look up the AHPI catalyst here. This is Allied Healthcare Products. This song's kind of dope. I like it. What is this? Yeah, Benzinga's running a little slow for me here. Yeah. No trades for me yet. I just got everything set up. I had to switch everything from that office room. Is anybody else's Benzinga down, or is it just my internet? Yes, I'm in a closet. R. Kelly's got a pun somewhere. Let me know if you find it. what I said was that I'm going to be buying up the crypto gaming stocks. I'm not sure why my mic keeps turning off. It's super weird, to be honest. But hey, what I said was that I'm going to be buying up these crypto gaming stocks, these crypto gaming tokens, I should say, probably. I'm going to be buying up these crypto gaming tokens, and we'll see how that goes. Wish me luck. I don't know why it keeps muting. Just do me a favor today, guys. If it mutes me, just let me know. Just tell me. Say, yo, you're muted. Yeah, just be like, yo, John, you're muted. All right, there goes BIMI popping up. Can y'all hear my transactions? Interesting. See, this is why I wanted to buy this dip. Man, dude, again, my pre-market trades are showing me that I'm right about everything in pre-market. Not everything. Don't sue me. Yeah. That's what I've been researching all week. Any ideas? Not really, no. I mean, who knows what's going to happen in this crypto crash? You know what I mean? Like, who knows? Just a weird market, man. A lot of stuff down. Crypto crash kind of affected everything, I'm sure. All right, so I'm reading this article on Forbes, guys. All right, but very small position. Maybe we can add some more if it pulls back. But so today they said they're naming Black Friday Red Friday after the color of share. They must have misspelled this. New variant is scaring people. They're renaming today Red Friday after the color of shares. You have the cost of share prices, fears of new strain and variant. Bitcoin fell to its lowest price since mid-October, down 5%. Really, it's down 10% to put it in perspective. It's really down 10%. Under 55K. Ethereum's down under 4,000. XRP, Dogecoin, tanked. Solana, Cardano, BNB. So yeah, and we got a quote here from Alex K from FX Pro, senior market analyst. He said, quote, with increased equity market volatility, crypto investors should be on guard. 100%. We just sold half. Another one of my pre-market trades that works, man. I gotta start taking these plays. You know what I mean? Because I'm typically pretty right about these moves. I'm just gonna get out, take the little dollars, but another one we're right about. Market down 784 points. Yeah. You think people are gonna go up to Walmart? Like, what do you think? Walmart down. Apple down. AMC down. Here's Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin to put it into perspective. This is Bitcoin on a 30-minute chart. Look at that drop. That's a nasty drop too, bro. That thing dropped in the last day from 60 to 54. So that's a nasty drop. Dude, how do I make this go away? Does anybody know? Somebody help me out here. Is there a button I can press to make this little window thing go away? There's no direct setting. What's up, Mirage? Happy Thanksgiving, brother. Music is too loud. My Thanksgiving was good, man. It was good, bro. Good to see family, you know. Yeah. No, I can't get this thing to go away. I tried the X. Oh well. Like for now, while this thing is there, so just do this. Oh damn, did it go away? No. There we go. At least it's not hurting anything, but man. Let me know if that's better. Let me know if that's better. That should be good. All right, so let's see if BIMI continues. Again, Bitcoin crashed. It's a closet, Jason. There's a closet I'm in, bro. Like I said, I would have. Here, I'll be right back. I gotta go grab myself some caffeine. Plug Carol's AirPods in, so I can use those if my headphones die, and grab some caffeine. What's up? What's up, guys? Let me know what you're watching today. You know, maybe here's another dip in BIMI. We'll see what happens. I don't know. Most of these are like suits and stuff. Yeah, so I wouldn't say it's a female closet. It looks like a guy's closet, to be honest. We're in a guest room closet in the house I'm staying in. So we're in a guest room closet right now. So just to put it in perspective, Carol's sleeping. My kids are sleeping in the other room. And so instead of just being a jerk and waking everybody up, I'm just hiding in the closet streaming here. And it honestly works really well. I can stand up, which is nice. You know, so we're doing good. Yeah, there's an R. Kelly joke somewhere in here. I just can't seem to find it. If you're old, maybe you'll get that joke. I just realized how old I am. All you youngsters, you young pups probably don't understand that joke. In time, maybe. But, all right. Young whippersnappers, yeah. OCP, what happened to OCP? I looked at fun. OCP down. We're looking at Prague. I mean, Prague is kind of up, but everything's down, you know. APT maybe. It's gapping up some. GOVX is gapping up a little bit. Very low volume. It's a half day today, guys. Remember, it's a half day in the market. I'm almost certain the volume is going to be lower than normal today. Aside from this kind of crypto crash, like we did kind of get a market crash, you know, but like aside from that, I'm almost certain the market's going to be quieter today. You know, we're already getting a drop. Maybe we're getting some cheap stocks. Like maybe I can find something cheap. You know, DraftKings is at $34. MGM is at 40. Uber's at 40. United Airlines is at 42. Apple is at 159. Disney's down to 147. So, yeah, there's a whole lot of material. The audio is more manly. Hey, I got that deep morning voice, sir. You're listening to the smooth sounds of John in the morning. You know, the problem is like my voice might be deep when I first wake up in the morning, but give me like an hour or two, and you know, I'll be like, "Hey guys, what you guys doing?" You know, probably just hurt a million people's ears. Even my daughter will tell me, she's like, "Daddy, you have a raspy voice," and I guess she's right. You know, it's not really deep, but it's not really high pitched either. It's a little bit in between. So I guess that's good. I don't know. We got BIMI up there at 110. So let's see if it continues. Disney's down. I'm honestly thinking about buying two things. I'm thinking about buying hospitality stocks if they drop enough. Disney, I might certainly. I don't know. We're thinking about buying Disney, and this is my logic: is that even if Disney's a media company, and so I think they're going to be a little bit more immune to these type of pandemics than, you know, your typical stock that is based off of customers and productivity and physical goods or items or whatever. You know, I think Amazon's going to do well, and I think Disney's probably going to do well throughout all this. They're going to dip with the market because they follow the market, but like that's kind of what I think. Let me know what you think. What are you buying up in this dip? You know, that's a good question. Like, what are you buying on this dip, guys? Yeah. What are you buying at discount, guys? Right. Dude, you are in the closet. I know, bro. I know I'm in the closet, man. Jay Vore. Who are you, Jay Vore? Why are you saying all this stuff about me, bro? John the L, London. I mean, if I'm an L, then you guys must really be an L, you know? Like, if I'm an L, y'all must be like an L7 weenie, you know? Shout out to the Sandlot. Wendy Peppercorn. The GOAT. BIMI is pulling back down to 105s. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I'm in the closet now. I'm gonna come out the closet later, but I'm in here for now. You know. Thank you, Jason. Yeah. You know, honestly, I would say it's dedication, but it's like I don't have anything else to do. To be honest, I wake up so early every day. Literally every day. Look at IMCC. IMCC. Nah, it's not really doing that much. The problem, though, is that I wake up so early every day, and I really do. Like, okay, to put it in perspective, yesterday I could sleep in as long as I wanted. You know, my daughter's at the age now where she'll sleep in, and my son will just kind of get up and all that stuff, right? And so I could sleep in as long as I wanted to yesterday. I was up at 6 a.m., just kind of fiddling around. I didn't have anything else to do. And so I woke my son up, and he's been trying to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And so and he's been really dedicated, and you know he thought it would be easier, and so he watched a video, and then he just got really mad and said that they were lying. But that's not how you do it. And I had to sit there with him and tutor him on how to solve a Rubik's Cube, which you make a daisy, and then you make a cross, and then you find the white corner pieces and do the little, you know, solve the bottom, middle, and then top row. And so I literally learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube in like an hour yesterday, just so I could teach my son, because he's not going to learn from videos as easily. And then we found out the Rubik's Cube that we had, for some reason, the colors were off. Somebody disconnected one of the color pieces and put it back on. And so it was literally unsolvable. And so that didn't go well. But my point is that I'm up early every day, regardless of whether I'm working or not. And so my logic is, if I'm up early, I might as well live stream. Not doing anything else. Hang out with you degenerates, I guess. Okay, you're good, J4. I guess we'll allow it. What's a good level to buy in crypto.com? I don't know. Follow the rabbit, bro. I don't know, man. I have no idea, dude. You know me. If you watch the stream regularly, I never tell anybody what to do. I have no idea. Diversify. That's generally the best thing to do. Diversify. If you like a specific sector, diversify into the stocks within that sector, and then you'll be a little bit safe. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, what's up, Tony? Nah, bro, I'm in Louisiana, brother. So I'm not in Texas right now. Yeah. Yeah, thank you, Tamber. What's up, Tony? I would let you on stream, but to be honest, I'm kind of doing all this stuff from my laptop. So I don't know if today's the right day. I'm already messing up my audio. But I guess if you want to hop on, Tony, you can. It's up to you. All right, look, hey, dude, how do I make this thing go away, bro? I'm gonna see. How do I make the stupid media player go away, dude? Does anybody know? Look at this stupid media player, bro. How do I make this go away? Like, I feel like I need to download another browser just to use this so it'll stop playing this dumb media player thing. Or maybe we'll try Edge. Like, I wonder if I do it with Edge, if it won't do it. All right, sorry. Let's try this. Go away. And then we'll try this one. Dang it, dude. It went right back. What the heck is find the perfect track? It works too. Damn, dude. How do I make this go away? Does anybody know? All right, here's BIMI. Are you buying this BIMI dip? Are you buying this BIMI dip? What are you buying right now, guys? What are you buying the dip on? Like I said, that's the biggest intriguing question I have for you all. It's like, what are you choosing to buy the dip on? There's a lot of dip buying opportunities. And always remember, Warren Buffett said it's better to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. Yeah. What are you being greedy on in this fearful market, guys? Let me know. Let me know. I can't turn it off and restart. I wish I could, but I can't. We'll have to just let it run. I mean, honestly, I could probably put this up, but it's not going to hurt the scans at all, like right here. Like that way you can still see the scans. It's just kind of inconveniencing. Crypto, yeah, I think crypto is probably the safest one. Not the safest, I don't know. But I think there's some good things about it. Like, okay, so historically, precious metals were hedges against inflation, right? When inflation would go up, everybody would run to gold and silver, and when the market would crash, everybody would run to gold and silver. Now, at least not really today. I see everybody still running to gold and silver on this kind of little mini market crash. But now, as a hedge against inflation, a lot of people are running towards crypto. And so even in a market that's not doing that hot, I'm still a little bit bullish on cryptocurrencies. Now, we'll see what happens. I think that some of them are obviously not going to do well. But I think if you find the good ones, which I don't know which ones are, we're going to have to do some BD on that. Then there might be some interesting dip buying opportunities. All right, here's Prague. The other one's APT. Prague's starting to head back up, so is APT. Bitcoin, rough. I'll say that. Bitcoin down to 54s. AHPI is probably the best looking one. That's this top left one right here. Yeah, remember, market closes early today. So it's going to be a half day, slow day, almost certainly. It's almost certainly going to be a slower day for sure. Wait, this guy's trying to show me how to do it. who came up with this dumb, terrible design though? Like seriously, like who's the software engineer that decided to make a big orange or a big rectangular music player that you can't get rid of, you can't click anything underneath it, and it just blocks the whole screen, and there's literally nothing you can do. Literally nothing you can do here. Who the hell designed this? They're dumb. You know, shout out to whoever designed this video player because it's freaking ridiculous. All right, here. They say they have a hack for it, so give me 1 second, guys. We're gonna try to hack this. So my apologies. Y'all will get to see my beautiful face right now. What's up, guys? I'm hiding my face today, though. Look, we're gonna put the hoodie on. I just hide here. I kind of look like Beavis, though, don't I? Hey, we'll let it work. All right, hold on, guys. Let me try to fix this now. All right, guys, bear with me 1 second. I'm fixing this. Okay. All right, I figured it out. Okay, fair enough. We just got to restart Microsoft Edge. Fine. There we go. I think I fixed it. I think. Let's try. All right. I think I fixed it. I'm sorry, guys. Here. I don't know if I spelled epidemic right. That'll be good. All right, it worked. Boom. You're welcome, guys. That's how you fix it. The internet. Thank you, whoever did that and helped me. Yes, I'm in a closet. What's up, guys? There's nothing else I could do. All right, this sweater's not working. I'm gonna have to take the sweater off. Ugh. All right. I fixed it. That's good. We still got a little freaking volume thing blocking me. But hey, that'll have to work for now. Maybe it'll go away. All right, y'all buying the BIMI dip? I guess I'll buy a little bit. All right, we're with 100 shares of BIMI. We'll add some more down to $1 too. All right, we're in 200 shares of BIMI. All right. Well, that's not good. Honestly, bro, that smoke detector was mysterious, bro. Majestic, kind of, you know? Just wouldn't go away. Like, I literally unscrewed the whole thing from the top. And, yeah, I don't know what was up with that smoke detector, bro. It just was not, it was not playing. That thing wanted to be heard, and be heard it was. Smoke detector doesn't even notice how famous it was, you know? I'm gonna make my own YouTube channel. BT smoke detector, you know? All right, well, we obviously just got hit in this drop. I wanted to see if we hold over $1. We get down to like 95, maybe like 98. I'll probably get out of this. It was scared of my dog, yeah, bro. It is what it is. Prague's starting to come back up. Maybe we'll try in Prague. That's tough timing. Sorry to hear that. I want to see if we bounce at $1 here. I gotta grab my soda. Hold on. All right, we're back. Oh, that would be. What are the two biggest plays, Rod? Tell me about it, bro. ISPC? We've been watching ISPC. We looked at it, certainly. That's probably the craziest mover, in all honesty. And we might buy the dip in it, too. I've got 2 charts up. I got one on my MacBook, too. Who drinks soda in the morning? Somebody that doesn't have coffee. I usually don't drink soda in the morning. But, like, I don't have coffee today or, like, any type of tea or anything like that. And so, listen. I'm doing my best to get everything rolling, guys. You know, I'm in a closet. You know what I mean? I'm trying my best here. But you got to substitute coffee for something. And I guess it's not a conventional soda. It's a stevia cola. Right, so it's not like a regular soda. It's more so like let me fix this camera too. It's not like a regular soda. You know what I mean? Like it's not like a Coca-Cola. You know, it's a stevia cola, so it's like a healthy, non-sugary caffeine drink. Basically, that's a soda. And I don't have any caffeine, so like that's all I got. Don't judge me. Hey, thank you, Mountain. I appreciate it, bro. I don't understand you guys though. I think some people just want to complain. You know, like I was in the office room yesterday, and everybody just y'all wouldn't shut up about the freaking smoke alarm, you know? And so I go somewhere that doesn't have the smoke alarm, and now it's, oh, John's in a closet. And it's like, dude, what do you want me to do? I got to get a quiet place away from my family to stream, because in Texas, or in Louisiana right now, it's 7 a.m. You know, I started the stream at 6. So, you know, got to do what we got to do, team. All right, so here we're going to buy a little bit of this dip, like 10 shares here. All right, we're in 10 shares of ISPC. We're just going to get out of this one. Well, $5 loss. We'll see what this 10 shares does on ISPC. Hey, thank you, DS. Yeah, space. I'm trying, bro. Yeah, like I'm streaming on vacation when I don't have to. You know what I mean? Honestly, it's the day after Thanksgiving, too. Like, you know how many people are hungover right now in bed, sleeping? I would say a large majority of people my age probably are. You know, at least somewhat hungover in bed right now. Not me, though. I'm up at 7 a.m. the day after Thanksgiving on Black Friday. All right, so BIMI. Prague's still up there to 360s. We're watching that. Hey, thank you, Phineas. I appreciate you, brother. So why was the smoke alarm going off? I don't know, man. I really don't know. I don't know how long it's been going there. This is Carol's family, so I don't know. Y'all are bugging me about stuff. Like, I don't know what they're doing in there with that. To be honest, I don't think they use that room that I was in, like that big office room. I don't think they use it. You know what I mean? So I think they just didn't realize the smoke alarm was going off. And like, I don't want to mess up their alarm system. You know what I mean? Like, they're older, so like, I don't want to mess their stuff up. Now we got ISPC, it's at 1770s. So we made a little bit on that dip. And then like I said, guys, this strategy, is incredibly profitable. Like this strategy, every time I've taken this strategy in the last like 2 weeks, it's worked, in pre-market specifically. Now, not always, but like it's a pretty profitable, legitimate strategy that I find work exceptionally well. And if you guys like the video enough, I'll give you a bunch of different examples and I'll walk you through how we do it. Took profit here. I don't know. I'm kind of thinking about adding it back, but I'll just get out. Maybe add some back when I dip. Probably get a little bit larger sizing when I dip. Maybe like 20 shares. We'll wait. All right, we just got 20 more shares. Hey, thank you. I'm cool. I appreciate you actually being appreciative, brother. Thank you, man. Yeah, what's up, SWC? I got Prague and Shiba this morning. Hey, I wish you the best, bro. It's a tough market. Like I said, what I'm mostly going to be doing today, like I'll day trade, of course, and like that's kind of what I'm doing now. But what I'm mostly going to do today is look for discount large cap companies that I think are going to be fun, and then just buy some of these dips. I think that makes a lot of sense, and I think that that's one of the easiest ways to profit in these type of markets is to just find companies that you think are going to survive and buy the dip, brought it up. What do you guys think? Like I said, I think that's a really good idea. Let me know what your favorite stock to do that is today. Yes, I'm in a closet right now. I'm gonna have to put like a scroller at the bottom of the screen saying yes, I am in a closet right now. Hey, what's up, coach? Saints got their butt kicked by Josh Allen and the Bills. Yeah, that's what I'm trying. I'll probably buy a little bit more. I'm already holding mana, but I'll probably buy a little bit more on the dip. All right, so we're in ISPC right now. NVAX and Amazon, BFRI. Yeah, look at BFRI, guys. Wow. And this one went crazy a few days ago. Look at BFRI. It's up to over $6 here. BFRI just ripped. We're in ISPC. I just want to see if we bounce at $17 right now. That's what I'm mostly looking at. I'll have to look up the catalyst to see what the actual catalyst is for this, but that's one I'm definitely watching right now. What about KTTA again? Look at AHPI as well. Huge rip right now. crypto's tanking big, yeah, for sure. Like I said, vote on the poll right now, guys. We got 286 votes. Are you buying the crypto dip? 59% of you thinking no. Which honestly, I think is crazy. Like, I don't understand. Like, for whatever reason, I think most people they have this weird binary mentality, where it's like if they're into the stock market, they hate crypto, which is just crazy. Crypto has been some of the most reliable gains in any type of digital asset in the market or security in the last few years. Easily the largest gains on anything, and I don't think that's a market you should ignore. I think that if you ignore crypto, like people in the people in the mid and late 90s and early 2000s ignored the internet, you're going to be having some serious FOMO in 20 years, or you're going to be missing out, not fear of missing out, I guess. You're going to be bummed in 20 years. Now, that's my own subjective opinion. I could very easily be wrong, but I just think the crypto market is obviously here to stay. I think that, a lot of people are like, oh, it's too early. Crypto's been around for 10 years now. It's put in some of the largest percentage gains of any type of digital trading asset anyway. And so, and historically, the crazy part is that historically the dips have worked very, very well. Historically, the dips work. Buying the dips is profitable historically for crypto. Usually the dips end up rebounding, so not always, of course, you can't guarantee anything 100% of the time. But to me, it seems like an obvious, at least, consideration. Maybe I'm wrong. Let me know what you think about it. It's a good conversation to have, I guess. Prague pulling back some at 350s. OCGN, yeah, a lot of stuff down. Definitely buying a dip. Yeah, man, the Dallas game, great game. The Raiders did that though, bro. So I'm cool. The Raiders did that, dude. They, overtime game. Defense stepped up. Raiders did that. I was watching that game. Great game. I wanted the Cowboys to win, but Raiders did what they needed to do, and you can't really knock them for it. They did good. All right. We just took off half of this position. Like I said, this strategy works exceptionally well, guys. Exceptionally well. Again, the strategy is very simple. Also, like it's a very simple strategy. It's not really complicated. Like the way it works. And you're gonna have some people that see me trade this, and then they try to teach it to you and act like they came up with it. I'm not even saying I came up with it. Just don't buy a course from anybody that tries to use a strategy like this to sell you. Like this content's available for free. You don't need to buy a course. I'm gonna put that out there as I go over this. But yeah, what you really ultimately want to do is you look for a stock that has attention, but it's starting to fade down a little bit. So like ISCP or ISPC had attention, but it was kind of fading back down. It had broken under the VWAP, and you could see this area here. Like it had broken under the VWAP and just kind of maintained below it for like 30 minutes. And so what you want to do when that happens is you want to look for a big volume spike, and the volume spike needs to be definitely substantial. And look, here's the big volume spike. See the big volume spike come in. Once you see that big spike and that big surge of volume, you want to see it cross over the VWAP as that volume comes in like this. You can see it crosses over the VWAP and then it pulls back to it. Once that happens, that's usually going to give you a nice little dip buy. If you can get it at a whole number, it's even better in my personal opinion. Sometimes it's not just going to break out. Sometimes just a little dip like this that it dips up 50 cents a share is all you need. But sometimes it's not going to give you the full range, like all the way up here, for instance, but it's going to bounce enough to be able to be an easy and safe dip buy a lot of the time. Now, of course, I'm going to just get out the rest here. I can't guarantee anything's going to work for you. I can't guarantee this is going to work for you. Obviously, it doesn't work all the time. Sometimes it's going to fail. But it's an easy dip buy that you can get involved with that if you're like me, you can build up a little bit of a cushion in pre-market before you start taking some real swings after the opening bell. Or if you like the strategy or setup enough, then you can could take some sizing into it and maybe be done by the opening bell. But it's a pre-market strategy where if you trade it like this, where you wait for good volume to show up, you wait for it to cross over the VWAP simultaneous to that volume showing up. It's just a powerful setup. It works. It just works. That's the best way I can explain it. Now, it doesn't work all the time. I can't guarantee you're going to make money with it because regardless of how good the strategy is, certain traders are just not meant to trade certain ways. And that certainly could be the case here. But it's a powerful strategy and it works, you know. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you guys have any questions regarding that. I'm gonna go grab myself one of those sodas in a minute. But yeah, let me know what y'all are watching. How much for the clothes behind me? All right, guys. Oh man, do y'all think AHPI is gonna bounce? Look at AHPI is tripping. Yeah, you definitely did, man. You definitely missed that combo, bro. Bro, who the heck designed this, man? Like, who the heck designed this, bro? Like, what dumb it... I'm so close to cursing the software engineer that designed this. Like, who did this, bro? Like, why can't I move this? Like, this is ridiculous. Like, it blocks my entire screen? Like, who the hell designed this? Like, what kind of genius software engineer decided to put a volume meter or a play button that you can't get rid of? It's absolutely ridiculous, man. All right, so we're also looking at AHPI. Alpha Protec, yeah. I can do this with my eyes closed. It's too easy. Too easy. AHPI bounce level. Yeah. Well, like right here looks interesting. Like this looks interesting right here, 850. I don't know if it's 855 pawn. I think it's probably just the $0.50 of 850 that people are playing off of. But that's my own way of doing it. I just think for me, I round to major $0.50 if it's within 5 to 10 cents away from it usually. Let me look. Yeah, I think everybody's just playing off at 850, the whole dollar level. I also think it's a previous resistance right here. And so I think like this was 845. This was 855. And so I think people are just looking at the entire range around it like this. But I mean, if you don't trade it like that, no issues. I mean, do what you do, you know. But people are just looking at this range like this. And you can see it's kind of bouncing off of that range too. But trade however you make money. Like I said, I can't tell you how to trade, of course. It's all good. Neither of us is right or wrong. It's all subjective, preference based. What's up, Beric? Hey man, what time do you say market closes on this half day? 1 p.m. What's up, Manny? BI, getting ready to bounce? Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I was hoping it would bounce at $1. It just didn't. What did you suggest, Juan? I'd really like to use like a regular mouse, especially if I'm going to be trading today. So let me see if I can find something I can use. You know, I can sit down if I wanted to. Let me see how this feels. You have to get me down here though, you know. I mean, this ain't that bad. Yeah, this is nice. The only problem is, can y'all hear me? My mic is set up Test. All right. I don't know why. Every time I even touch my mic, it disconnects. Strange. Did the music play too? Okay, now we're good. Hey, I made the screen go away, guys. I don't know what I did, but somehow I made the screen go away. Yeah, I might trade the SPY. That's a good idea. I think I probably will. TD Ameritrade after hours today or no after hours? I don't know, to be honest. Is there an after hours trading today or no, guys? Let me know. GOVX? Yeah, GOVX is starting to move up. I don't know. Is there an after hours day today, though? Let me know. Yeah, I did it. I don't know, Maddie. I figured it out, bro. All right, GOVX ripping up. A lot of stuff fading down. It's going to be a slower day, so just a heads up. After hours is 1 to 5 p.m. Okay, got you. Hey, you as well, Richard. I hope you had a happy Thanksgiving, brother. What's up, Juan? Hope you're doing well, bro. All right, so we have AHPI dipping down pretty heavily. ISPC is pulling back to 16. GOVX is starting to rip, though. It's at 482s. So let's see what happens there. Let me know what you're watching the most, guys. GOVX at 480s. Oof. BFRI. Yeah, what happened to BFRI? I was looking at that one earlier. Ooh, man, BFRI. I don't know how I missed this one earlier, too, bro. I started to watch it. Oh, I know what the problem is. I don't have my VWAP settings up. There we go. Yeah, look at BRFI. This thing is going absolutely crazy right now. BFRI flying up. Maybe we'll find a dip buy opportunity. We're slightly green today. Not by a lot, but GOVX and BFRI are ripping up heavily. Somehow we fixed it. No. There we go. I appreciate all your hard work and helping newer traders like myself. Thank you. Hey, thank you for the appreciation, Mika. Really appreciate it, brother. I appreciate your appreciation. But no, seriously, thank you. I think a lot of times people can get kind of entitled on YouTube. And so they think that the people they watch owe them things. Like, no offense to anybody here, but I don't owe you guys anything. I love you guys. I appreciate the support, of course. But, sometimes people on YouTube can just get weird. You know what I mean? So I appreciate all the supportive ones. Thank you very much. GOVX rejecting right at that $5 level. Cardi B Wob. BFR rumors of a possible buyout. Hey, we're at 780s for BFR. The float's got to be tiny here, no? It's got to be a tiny float. Let me see if I can move this. I don't want to break my mic. There we go. That should work good. Let me know if the sound comes in good. All right, so GOVX is up there. BIMI just didn't hold. Hey, thank you, Lucas. I appreciate you, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just think sometimes people forget, like, I got family, I got a family, I got kids, I'm busy. And, yeah, sometimes it just gets weird with people, but, I certainly appreciate you guys. Love you all. Definitely very grateful to have this community, good community for the most part. So I appreciate you guys. Let's see if BFRI can hold at 7. I just knock on the door. Here, hold on, guys. I think it's probably my son banging on the door. Here, hold on. I'll be right back. Test, test. Okay, mic works good. We're not muted. All right, good. GOVX ripping up. I'm tempted to buy BFRI here. Usually this first little pullback gets bought up fast. We could just try like 10 shares first. No, don't leave without me. All right, we're in 10 shares. I was scared it would run without me. Maybe a little bit of FOMO there. We'll buy it down to 7. GOVX is up to 510s, 511s. Yeah, I get that all the time, especially if you don't look at my stock, then I won't give you a like, comment. Yeah, for sure. I see that one a lot. The most common one I honestly get, though, is like, I get so many messages, you know, like I get a lot of messages from a lot of different people, you know, and like if I don't respond to that message like immediately right away, people get upset. But it's like, honestly, I get too many messages to where it's just hard to manage them all, you know. All right, so we're in BFRI. We'll see if we can add back down to 7. What's up, Pawn? The heck kind of ESPN alert am I getting this early? All right, like I said, we'll add down to 7. All right, so here's the 7 dip. This might punish me, to be honest, but like we'll take the risk. GOVX still flying up, guys. Entry 730. We're about 10 cents away from that. Yeah, I got you. Saints, man. Saints are doing rough, bro. Saints had QB issues all year. Honestly, I really thought about streaming outside here. They've got a really dope balcony. I just don't have a table to stream on, or I would go outside. Yeah, that's basically it, Ali B. Yeah, for sure. All right, so I'm hoping BFRI rips. But man, it's dipping down pretty hard. I can either add to it. GOVX is still moving. I'm going to add 25 shares so I can get that 25 share lot position in here. And then that's it. So I can just go like this if I want to get out. GOVX still squeezing up. Huge move for GOVX. Wow. All right, our entry 720s. Look at GOVX still popping up. It's at 580s right now. Craziness. Yeah, Lions have been doing terrible. I don't know. I think they're just trying to get that. I think they already locked up the number 1 draft pick, but I don't know. They've been doing horrible. All right, so we're in BFRI, 25 shares. We'll see how this goes. Yeah, they're doing rough. It's a tough market right now. All right, we're sitting right here at BFRI. I don't know what I want to do, to be honest here. Vote on the poll. Let me know if you're buying the crypto dip. We're pretty close to break even here. Dallas could have done better, that's for sure. Prescott, they're doing good though. I still think they'll clinch their division. All right, GOVX. We're pretty close to break even on GOVX. I'm trying to figure out what we want to do here. Let me try to not mess my mic up. What's up, Joe? Nah, the Bills just destroyed the Saints yesterday. Josh Allen's too good, bro. All right, so we're in BFRI. I'm trying to figure out what we want to do here. I'm not sure yet. Saints ain't got a real quarterback, and Josh Allen's just too good. Saints, I already know, it ain't going to be their year. All right, so BFRI still heading back up. We're in 25 shares to this one. You know, I got this sweater one because I thought that we would be. I got this sweater one because I thought I'd be outside, but apparently I'm not. It's getting kind of hot in here. I am getting so hot. All right. We got 730s. Seahawks. All right. If I'm not rooting for the Saints, I'm rooting for the Bengals. I'm kind of tempted to buy this $5 dip on GOVX too. Oh, man. Gotta wake myself up. Come on, man. BFRI. I'm sitting here trying to be patient with BFRI. I don't know if it's going to work, though. I like the $7 bounce level. Hopefully it can hold and bounce over 7. How's the audio when I'm down here? I'm still thinking about buying this GOVX dip, but I do want to get my other mouse set up. I don't think this mouse is going to cut it. Buy ask, sell bid, and then TIF is what I need. Might as well get this ready just in case I start trading here. Still watching BFR really closely. Dude, the dip happened too quick. I was so close to buying this dip on GOVX, man. I was getting it already. You saw that? It just bounced a little bit too early, man. But I was getting ready to buy this dip right here. Beautiful little dip buy. Missed it. At 520s now. It's all good, but man. I don't know. That's Tony. You have to ask Tony. What's the deal? I want some shoes. Man, I think I'm gonna have some FOMO on GOVX. Can y'all hear the music now? I'm just gonna put it on my playlist. Still kind of mad. I would have bought that dip, rode that up for via GOVX. Just didn't catch it. It's close. I'm in the closet because everybody complained about the chirping noise from the alarm that I was in the other room I was in. And so I just had to rotate rooms. Go to somewhere that my kids won't get woken up, my wife won't get woken up, and somewhere that's quiet enough. And so the closet is our fate today, I guess. Yeah, what about LGVN? What happened to that one? As I've been traveling, I haven't looked at the market lately. Whoa, dude, LGVN flew, man. What happened to that, bro? I completely missed that. That's crazy. Wow. You got some craziness in the market there right now. Ah, man, my trade's dipping. Hopefully we bounce. Alright, so we're right at sevens. Alright, so we're still around sevens. Yeah, I know, Jack. I know, brother. Dude, I got so much heat about this fire alarm, bro, but like, y'all don't understand. That fire alarm, bro, it was like a 1970s fire alarm that went up into the roof. And so, like, to change that out, I'd have to get a Phillips and I'd have to unscrew the wires. And, like, to be honest, I don't want to break their fire alarm. So I'd rather just not mess with it. They don't use that office anyway. And they don't care either way. You know what I mean? So it's not going to be a big deal to them if the fire alarm there doesn't work or is going off. But that's like a 1970s fire alarm. I've changed many fire alarms in my day. In my mom's in my wife's family, I'm like the only guy that goes around regularly. And so like they send me to do all the stuff. Like I change fire alarms, like I gotta haul stuff up and down and do stuff for them. And so I've changed many fire alarms. But like that fire alarm was a different story, you know? It was a different animal. It was not for me. Yeah. All right, come on, man. I'm still kind of FOMOing it from my GOVX miss. I missed the bounce there. I should have taken it. But got ready and everything. Got my trades ready and everything. Got ready to buy the dip and then no bounce. Or then no entry, too late. I still like BFRI here. I don't think it looks bad. Maybe here's another dip. But I don't know. I don't know if this dip's going to work the same for GOVX. I'll try it. Oh, that's not filling me. We bought the little 25 share dip in GOVX. We'll see if that works. We're also in BFRI. Yeah, that's always the case, J4. You know, Discord has Discord spammers, man. Every major finance channel has Discord spammers. It is what it is. There's usually people overseas that are just trying to talk people into doing stuff. All right, so we're in GOVX slightly down. BFRI slightly down too. All right, we're in BFRI and GOFX. I hope we bounce. I mean, we'll see. Put this up so you can see the actual scanners too. I was worried because we don't have that many views today. We've got like 330 views. But then I checked everybody else, and everybody else is getting roughly the same. And so I think people are probably still sleeping. And they're recovering from their carb coma from Thanksgiving. Let me know what your favorite food you ate was this Thanksgiving. We had some good food. Still in BFRI. I don't know, man. I want to be patient with it, but if it doesn't hold over 7, and especially over this 675 level, we got to just jump out. We're going to be trading the SPY a little bit more today, too, especially if we get like volatility there. Yeah, sleeping and shopping, yeah, for sure. All right, ISPC's getting back over the VWAP here. We got GOVX at 512s too. Everything I want, lasagna. We had some good food, man. Stuffing is probably my favorite Thanksgiving food, like stuffing. I like turkey and gravy too, but like stuffing. All right, under 5, we'll get out of GOVX. That's the level I initially wanted to bounce in. Yeah, Black Friday shopping too. Yeah, a bunch of people are out. And I mean, and the market's just crashing. I mean, they're not in a good market. All right, so we're back up for BFRI. That's looking better. Nice play. Why are you so handsome? I don't know. I'm hiding my face today. It's too early. I didn't get enough sleep. I'm tired. We had McDonald's to support U.S. Thanksgiving. I even had a McChicken. Hey, do your thing. So we're about break even in GOVX now. Let's see if we get that rip. We'll see. Yeah, for sure, Andrew. That's the biggest thing with Black Friday, bro. You know, to be honest. Like, I think that a lot of people get talked into it because they have FOMO. It's the same type of FOMO people have in trading. But I think if you really look at it, like the deals you're getting are not that good of deals. Like, to be honest, most of the time they're getting rid of their old inventory. That's not going to be as valuable in like a month because the new inventory is the newer and better products are going to be dropping for the next year. And so with that, you know, they're lowering the prices of all their old inventory that they want to get rid of, and like people just eat it up. They get up early, they go, you know, and it's like it's a way to talk people into spending more money that they don't really need to. Like, you can find most of those deals outside of, you know, today, but people want to believe they're saving money. They want to believe they're getting some super good deal, and you know, they'll go through big things to convince themselves of that. It is what it is. Kind of similar with the stock market. All right, so probably gonna get out of BFRI. Yeah, exactly right, Tony. All right, so I don't know how you talk and trade so fast. I can't talk to anyone when I'm trading. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a talker, that's for sure. Yeah, we talked about LGBN. LGBN looks crazy. It's at $35. Huge rips the last few days. Big push Wednesday right before the close too. All right, we're in GOVX. We are in BFRI. Try to see what we want to do with these. I don't know. I feel like I should let some of these work, but I want to see if we pop up to like 550. So I'm holding back on taking profits here. I'd love to get even in BFRI. Yeah, I've never gone Black Friday shopping. Never. I've never gotten up early to go run through a store. You know, it just seems toxic to me, to be honest. I certainly would never bring my kids to some stuff like that. And again, you're not really getting that great of deals. I mean, of course, you convince yourself that you are to justify go and do it. But to be honest, I think competitive nature pops out in people and people get a little bit crazy with it. But like, hey, if it stimulates the economy, it stimulates the economy. The problem is today, market's not doing great. Crypto's not doing well. Stock market's doing rough. Crypto crashed a little bit. Stock market's not doing that much better. If you look at the SPY itself, there's 460s. Let's see what we get. Break even on GOVX. Kind of edging closer on BFRI. I mean, not really confused. You just think you are because of the marketing that they do. You know what I mean? Like, again, like think about it like this, right? At the end of the year, it's kind of like cars, right? At the end of the year, like right now, what's hot isn't the 2021. They're trying to get rid of the 2021. And so they're giving, you know, deals on the 2021 cars when really those cars are just losing their value because the newer year model was coming out, right? And so with days like today, that's exactly what's happening, is that like the older models are going to be less valuable in a month. And so they're dropping prices on them just to see if they can get some people to buy them before they switch to the newest model. They also, like Tiny said, they raise prices by a small percentage universally for the most part into the months leading into today. And then they drop them back down to what they previously were, given great deals. And so it's just kind of a way to trick people into spending money. All right, well, we don't have any reason to exit BFRI or GOVX yet. We're just kind of waiting. Dealer in a Glencar trying to sell a RAV4 for 96K. Honestly, I believe it, bro. Like I said, we're in the process of buying a car. We just took half off. GOVX caught the rip. You love to see it. Got a little bit more here. Also green. And BFRI. Go ahead and get out here. Take a little bit off here just to protect the trade. All right, holding a little bitty position yet left. I didn't don't know. BFRI just seemed like it needed more. We did catch the dip in GOVX though, so that was nice. We'll let this ride. We're pretty nicely green again today, man. Pre-market, I've just been doing better in pre-market. I don't know what it is. I don't buy Christmas gifts anymore. I give my teen kids gift cards and let them buy whatever. I mean, we still buy gifts. My son doesn't believe in Santa anymore, unfortunately. Which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Like, my son, he's too smart for his own good, man. Like I said, my son came to us last year and told me two things. He said he didn't believe in Santa, and he didn't believe in God. Kind of a heavy conversation to have with a 7-year-old. You know, we had to kind of talk with him about it and explain some things, and he, you know, but like, yeah, that was the conversation we had with my 7-year-old a year ago. So now we still do Christmas, like we still give him gifts, and Santa still comes, and he kind of knows that like he's got to pretend, you know. But it's just a hard conversation to have. Yeah. She said I already told you. All right, so we'll see what happens with BFRI here. We're starting to move up. We got 7 shares left, small. But we've been killing it in pre-market. We've been making money pretty consistently. Honestly, I'm ready for next week to start and for us to get back to normal. Are you guys ready? Or are you guys going to enjoy this different market? Pretend for who? I mean, we don't, I mean, everybody knows in my household that Santa's not real. But we still do Santa gifts because I think there's something special about a kid coming downstairs and getting surprised by Santa coming. You know what I mean? Like he knows, but he's kind of willfully ignorant of it. You know what I mean? Because it's what you do for Christmas. Like, I knew Santa wasn't real when I was like 7, but I pretended Santa was real because my fear that I wouldn't get presents if I told my dad, hey, yo, like Santa, like, that guy ain't breaking into our house, bro. It's so, I don't know. We just kind of play along to keep with the Christmas spirit. And yeah, that's kind of how we do it here. All right, so pretty green pre-market, man. I don't know why I've been making so much money in pre-market. I might still just scale up in pre, to be honest, here. Seems to be justifiable. Yeah, VWAP, that's about it. Like, I think the biggest thing for kids, and this is how it was for me as like a parent to Jack, like I let my kids be their own people. You know, I really do. Like my daughter Madison, like she'll watch movies with me, and sometimes the movies will be a little bit more grown. And I've said it before, but like my logic there is that like if you look at the crazy kids that turn out to be like crazy, right? If you look at the kids that turn out to just be psychopaths, or you look at the kids that turn out to just go crazy when they get older and like wild out and party and do all this crazy stuff, it's usually kids that are sheltered too much. You know, like you keep a kid from, okay, I'll put it this way. The kids that grow up to be psychopaths are not the ones that saw too much of it as a child. They were the ones that were not exposed to it enough. And so in turn, they became obsessed with those things because they were not exposed to it enough because their parents sheltered them too much. Right. And so that'll create unbalanced people more than anything else. I think in life, and I do this with parenting, you got to expose your kids to the world. You got to let them see the world, and you can protect them from it. But they have to understand it, because if they don't understand it, or if they're not exposed to it, then when they get older, like if they don't see violence as a kid, when they get older, they're going to be intrigued and curious and you know, like obsessed with it in some cases. That is what sparks crazy people. You know, that is what sparks craziness. And so I think a lot of people just want to shelter their kids from everything. I think you gotta teach them about the world. And if you don't, they'll be unbalanced. They're not going to really understand. So it's kind of what you got to do. No, we're not. I mean, no. Yeah, CPS ain't gonna do nothing to me. They can't. You know, my kids are good. They're good kids. You know, like the biggest thing for a kid, I guess, is just making sure they have empathy. You know, if a kid has empathy, they're probably okay. All right, GOVX pulling back. Yeah, I mean, my kids are at the age now where, like, you know, CPS wouldn't do anything anyway. You know, like my kids are too old now. Maybe if they were like a toddler and, you know, I was doing something wrong, which I'm not, then maybe. But after a certain age, it's just a waste of time. Hey, what's up, Mario? Hey, good to see you, bro. Right. Thank you, Brandy. Yeah, I appreciate it. Yeah, I guess what I'm trying to say is you gotta, like, you can protect your kids from things, but like you can't shelter them too much. You shelter them too much, they'll be unbalanced. They'll be obsessed with the things you shelter them from. And so you got to expose them to the world. Let them see the world. Let them see it's not pretty sometimes, and then in turn, they'll have a more balanced perspective on life instead of just sheltering them from everything. And then once they're 18 or whatever, they just go crazy. You know, not healthy. All right, so we're at 7s for BFRI. Parenting talks with John. I don't know. The market's kind of slow. Everything's pulling back. We're just kind of hanging out. We got BFRI down to 7s. We'll see if we bounce at 7s. Yeah. All right, guys. So still in BFRI. We made our money today, though. To be honest, we made our money. 1 second, guys. Let me do one thing real quick. My bad. I have to put this up. Y'all are just gonna have to see my beautiful face for the time being. And let me do this. So hold on 1 second, guys. I'm trying to see something. Never mind. All right. My bad. All right, we're good. Here, I can check on my phone. All right, got it. All right, my bad, team. All right, so yeah, we're still in BFRI. Let me know if you like the bounce here. What else are you guys watching today? What's your main stock on your list today? Slowing down a little bit. Still like GOVX. I don't mind this little dip in GOVX too. Maybe it holds over 5, and that'll be good. But there's still like... Ooh. Also, guys, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. We do this live every single weekday morning for free. Yeah, we got BFRI. What else? ISPC. What else we got? We got LGVN. We're definitely watching today too, right? GOVX. All right. Yeah, that new Dariant's freaking people out for sure. What do you guys think about that? I mean, all right. What do y'all think about that new variant, man? It's kind of crazy. LGVN, yeah. Well, I don't know. BFRI we're in. LGVN, huge rips. The problem is, when do you think LGVN is extended? That's the only question. I don't know enough about the actual company, but man, this thing has gone from $2 all the way up to 42s. So just a crazy, crazy rip for LGVN, just a monster rip. Like, what else is this one doing? But this is just a crazy rip, to be honest, right now. Huge move. Is this a score? Let me check the squeeze app. ISPC got a government contract for specimens. Lines up for a squeeze. What's up, cats? I like these combos. They're good conversations to have. The fact that men don't have emotional outlets to go to when things get bad, no one to talk to. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. All right, so I'm looking at LGVN on the Squeeze app. We're gonna see if we get a squeeze here for LGVN. No pun intended. So LGVN, if I'm looking at the data here, 7% short float, 2.7 million float, very tiny float for LGVN. That might be what's influencing this move. I'm glad I got out of GOVX when I did, because now that one's dropping and tanking down too. APT, Alpha Protect, they make masks. Ali I'm pretty sure they make masks. APT, that's Alpha Protect. I remember this one when the lockdowns first started. There's APT right now, it's at 7s, but they make masks. I'm pretty sure they're a mask company. Also, guys, remember, if you want to download this app, the Squeeze app, it gives you free short flow data and information. And so if you want this, if you want free short flow data and information, I'll post this link. Go check it out. Download the Squeeze app. It's in the chat right now. So we're slightly green in BFRI. ISPC starting to move up. There's APT, GOVX coming down some here. So we'll see what happens with that. We're still looking at LGV, and it's at $34. Just a crazy rip, crazy move. There goes ISPC. It's trying to fight its way back over the VWAP level. Can you all hear me? Is the sound good? Let me know. The sound should be okay, but I might be able to fix it a little bit with this. Yeah, let me know if the sound works. All right, so we're good. We should be good. Test. Yeah, we're good. All right, good. APT is a mask play. Yeah, that's what I remember them for. They were a mask company, and so they did really well in the start of everything because they were producing the masks. APT down to 690s. BFRI still trying. Yeah, they make a bunch of other stuff too. I also see that the Benzinga scans. I know I don't have pre-market data up yet. There we go. I'll move myself out the way so you can see the pre-market data, guys. And I'll be right back. Give me like 1 second. Give me like 15 seconds. All right, I'm back. BFRS still hadn't done anything, bro. I don't know what's wrong with that. Look at ISPC go. ISPC still rip it up. PHUN, I don't know. We're watching PHUN DWAC to see if they come back here. Here's PHUN. It's at 320s. We'll see. DWAC kind of the same thing. It's at 34s. All right, so I guess I'm just going to get out of here. Take the L. Take the 250 loss. Not bad, but it honestly worked out pretty solid. You know, we didn't lose a ton of money. There we go. Can y'all hear me still? Let's do a sound check. 1 2 1 2. I just want to see if this will work. I was a man's man, and then I broke down from buying everything for so long. Ended up in the hospital. Smell mental health issues. Please speak your feelings and don't just bury. Yeah. I don't know. I think it depends on the personality. All right, we got APT at 680s. I don't know. I think that a lot of guys get in jobs that they don't really like, and you know, I think that what you do for a living is going to severely impact how you are. You know, and so if you do something you really enjoy doing and you're motivated and passionate about, then you'll be happier throughout life. If you do something you hate that you're just forced to do, you'll be a lot less happy in life. You know, and so I think it's one of those things where I know people want to make a lot of money. But I think sometimes you should do what you enjoy doing, even if you make less, because you'll ultimately just be a lot happier. And you know, there's the saying, monetize what you enjoy doing. Take your passions and monetize them in whatever way you can. You know, that's how you stay happy. You know, and like I said, I'm saying this from experience because I do things I genuinely enjoy doing. Like I like coding. I like programming. You know, I like the stock market. And so I look forward to work every day. As much of a hassle it is to get up at 5 a.m., I just genuinely enjoy doing this, obviously. So just find out what you like doing. Find out what you're passionate about and then monetize that. I think you'll be happier in life. You know? Hey, what's up, Bob? Hold on, let me see what you're saying, Bob. Bob said, I can't get my... So there is no unified anymore on BitGet, I don't think. Sorry, my Mac is giving me some lag. Here, let me squeeze this over here. All right, so you said, John, I've been watching your channel for about a year now. Never could comment because of being on a work computer. I know you don't plug to the end, but I can't get my Bitcoin to unified in BitGet. So you want to go to transfer. First, you want to sell. This is what you want to do. First, you want to sell your Bitcoin. I'm not telling you should sell your Bitcoin. I'm telling you, if you want to get your money to unified futures, so you can copy trade or do whatever with it, you got to sell it first. So you first sell your Bitcoin, you get Tether, you get USDT, and then you transfer that USDT Tether to futures.
Like that's what you do, and then you do whatever you want with the tether. Like think of tether like US dollar on Bitget. It's the base, right? So if you want to send anything, if you want to transfer it to Unified Futures, you got to sell your Bitcoin first. I'm pretty sure, not 100% sure, I guess. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work. My bad. But you can also reach out to customer support. But I'm pretty sure from my experience, I would sell the Bitcoin and then transfer that to Unified and then do whatever. Can we make requests for what things you should try on? I'd like to see that blue and white. What about this blue dress right here? Y'all have to pay me a lot for that. Yeah, for sure, Juan. Yeah, my Thanksgiving was good, SPAC. Thank you, brother. Not a life advisor. Don't sue me. Hey, what's up, John? Hey, thank you, brother. Miss y'all too, man. Yeah, I'm in a closet, bro. Like I said, there's a lot of R. Kelly jokes y'all could hit me with today. I'll accept them if you do. I'll accept them if you do. But so far, we're pretty green. I'm pretty sure we made some money on GOVX. We made a few bucks. We made some other money on AHPI, I think, or something. I don't remember what it was, but we made some money. TOMZ is ripping. APT is up there. ISPC is interesting. Oh, I made some money on ISPC too. So yeah, we're up, I think, $15 or so today. Not a huge amount. Yeah, I feel you, Tiny. Well, yeah, if you're copy trading, you have to get Tether, Bob. So if you're trying to copy trade, you're not going to be able to send Bitcoin over. You gotta if you're copy trading, you want to have USDT, and then you sign up for copy trading after you have USDT, if that makes sense. Disney, yeah, that's kind of what I'm buying at discount. I'll probably buy some of that. Hey, thank you, VWAP. OCUP. $420s right now. Just broke over the previous closing price. I think that's a really relevant level. It's over the previous close, which is good. Didn't hold any of its gains really from yesterday though. I guess it held some, but not enough for me to be super hyped about it. But it is over the previous closing price, so let's just see if it holds over like 415. At least that's what I want to see here. ISPC ripping back over VWAP here, making moves up to almost 19. BFRI fading, LGBN trying, APT sitting at 670s. You look good, you know. So you look good. Love you, thank you. Yeah, so ISPC at 18s. Yeah, just be careful, John. You know how it goes, brother. Why is the quality poor? I don't know. Y'all hit the like button. Is the quality poor? If it is, it's probably on your end, to be honest. If it's on my end, my apologies, sir. But if you're blurry or laggy, I mean, we can ask the rest of the chat. It's not showing that it's bad for me, though. It's showing that it's fine. Did my computer just die? Damn, dude, apples suck. This thing died so fast, bro. Alright, so we got ISPC up. I just can't talk to you guys right now because my MacBook died. This laptop just straight up died on me. I can't tell if it's out of battery or like what's wrong with this thing. Oh wait, there it goes. Yeah, I don't know what is going on with this laptop. Oh, it's dead, bro. This thing straight died on me. Oh wait, I bet you my daughter stole my charger. Hey, Carol. My bad, guys. I'm gonna have to use my phone to chat with you. We got ISPC up though. ISPC's up. I'm having fun. Tiny. I'm just trying to manage everything, which can be a handful when you're running one of these. But I'm good. Like I said, I don't ever want I know maybe you might think I'm ungrateful sometimes, guys, but I'm really not. Like, I'm very blessed to have the community we have here. And that's why I try to live stream every day without fail. Carol was even like, hey, why don't you just skip today? But I saw the market crash and I wanted to talk about it. But I appreciate you guys. Y'all are the realists. And I certainly appreciate you. Hey, thank you, Spack. I appreciate you. Good. All right, good. As long as y'all can hear me. I'm not messing with the sound, just the... So I'm running two different laptops. Y'all see my main laptop here. And so I'm running this. But I was using a MacBook to manage the stream. So like y'all see this screen, so I can't manage the stream from this screen because y'all see it. And so I was using a MacBook to manage the stream. MacBook just died apparently. And so I'm gonna have to go find the charger. I don't know where it is. It might be downstairs in the Bird Paradise office downstairs with the chirp. ISPC breaking highs though is at 19s right now, 19s. Yeah, Warren Buffett said it's better to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful. What are you buying up in greed today, guys? Because the market's down, getting some dips. For me, it's mostly going to be blue chip companies. Like if I buy the dips, it's mostly going to be crypto and blue chip companies. I think there's a lot of crypto stocks that are interesting. The only problem is that the only thing that I'm waiting for in terms of buying dips is that I know there's a new variant out, and I know that might ultimately affect the market in a broader way than just today and just yesterday and just the little mini crash we've gotten so far. And so while I'm tempted to buy up some dips, I also understand that some of them might keep dipping. Now, I'm not sure, but like it's certainly possible that some of these stocks continue to drop, depending on how significant the reaction is to this. And so for me personally, I'm going to wait a little while, and try to read it out to see where I think the bottom is, because I guess that's the only thing I'm uncertain of now is if this is the bottom or if this is just the start. And let me know what you guys think about that. I think it's an interesting conversation to have. Do you think this is the bottom here, or do you think we drop more? Are you buying stocks now, or are you waiting to buy stocks? Are you buying crypto now? Are you waiting to buy crypto until they dip a little bit more? Let me know your thesis on these guys. I think it's a good conversation to have. And I think it's interesting enough to pay attention to. Hey, that's dope, Voorhees. Yeah, do your thing, brother. Good luck, man. I wish you the best, bro. I know, Alex. I know. Yeah, that would be a cool job, Tiny. Cafe owner. Yeah, I'm in a closet because everybody got so upset. I was in that office area outside, but everybody got so upset about the alarm chirping and yelling at me and insulting me in a million different ways because the alarm was chirping. This is the internet. That to counter that, I just stayed in a closet. That way there's no chirping that y'all can cry about, and yeah, we're all good. I'm not sure yet. I'm definitely hesitant to buy. Could be the bottom, but it is worth the risk. Could easily drop another 20% with all this inflation. Yeah, for sure. There's some jobs you can get to pet animals. The obvious job that I've really thought about, if Carol wasn't allergic to animals like she is, I would breed animals and be able to pet them and play with them and raise them. And then, you know, as long as you do it in an ethical way, you know, I think it can be a good business. You know what I mean? You just got to have some space, you know. Yeah, 100% play for sure. Yeah, you know how it goes, bro. Especially in the stock market. All right, we have ISPC up there to the 19s. BFRI bouncing at those lows now. I'm tempted to buy. I'm waiting for Carol to bring me my coffee. Oh, Mac just died on me. All right, so we got APTs at 660s. ISPC's up there to 19s. Looking solid. Labs? Oh, I love labs. Honestly, we're thinking about getting a dog right now. We don't know what we're going to get. We're either going to get a lab or a German Shepherd. German Shepherds are the smartest dogs in the world. I don't know if that's actually true, but like I've raised a lot of different dogs. We raised chocolate labs. We had German Shepherds. German Shepherds are the best dogs we've ever had. Definitely the smartest. You know, they're easily conditioned and potty trained. We had one. Her name was Bear because she looked like a brown bear. But anytime she had to go to the bathroom, she would literally go up to the door, scratch it, look at us and bark, and then scratch the door and then look back at us like, yo, let me outside. Smart dogs, great dogs. And if you're getting a dog, in terms of like guard dog potential, German Shepherd's at the top. Or not the top, but like German Shepherd's definitely better than a lab. Labs are the sweetest, best dogs ever. But in terms of like guard dogs, they're middle of the road maybe, you know. BFRI spiking up. It's at 690s. We're looking at that. You know, somebody breaks into your house and you got a German Shepherd, you know, it'll take them out. Lab, coin flip, maybe. BFRI popping up to the VWAP. It's at 690s. ISPC testing highs as well. Look at this 1885 level. So we're watching ISPC also here. We'll see if it holds under that or if it tries to break it. VWAP's the big level you want to pay attention to for BFRI on this spike. It's up to 680, 690s. I've never heard of an Aussie Shepherd. Let me check it out. Oh, those are pretty, man. Those are cool. Those are cool. All right, we got BFRI popping up. It's at 690. LGVN's pulling back. We got this big support level that keeps building here at like $34 for LGVN. So we'll see if we hold. APT's not really holding. ISPC's trying there as well. Still could look at Prague here. Prague is popping up. It's over the VWAP. It's at 350s. Let me know what you think of these. How much, Richard? How much, bro? Seriously, we're looking to get one like right now. I think Carol's really pushing for a lab though, but if it was up to me, I'd get a Shepherd. All right, we have ISPC. It's at 1870s. All right, we're at 7s. So we'll see if BFR can hold over 7. Oh, well, damn, Richard. Well, hey, let me talk to Carol and see what's up. Just email me at beginnertrading@gmail.com because that's reasonable for sure. Just email me, bro. We'll talk about it. The only problem is that they're too young. Like I've raised a lot of puppies before. Like I've had a lot of puppies and a lot of dogs in general. The biggest problem is that when puppies are that young, they're a handful. They're very difficult. They're up all night. They want to be by you all the time. They scream and scream if they're not. And generally, if we were getting a new dog, I would rather get them. I know everybody wants puppies, but I would rather get them when they're like, I guess 3.5 months isn't that bad, to be honest. That's probably actually okay. You said 10 weeks. Yeah, that's not bad. Or that's 2.5 months. So, still a little young, but we'll talk to Carol about it. We got BFRI. It's up there to 720s. All right, there's the opening bell, guys. There's the opening bell. Let's see what happens with BFRI as well. Let's get ready to trade. Now we have ISPC pulling back some here. Good luck, guys. Let's hopefully make some money today. Okay, so we might be trading the SPY today, too. All right, so there's 7s for BFRI. Let's switch the scans over. All right, Prague ripping. Prague up there to 550s. LGV and dumping down to 32s. BFRI up to 735, 730s. ISPC did reject at that $19 level. What are you guys watching right now? BFRI ripping up. Let's see this $8 previous pre-market high right here. All right, we got Prague rejected pretty big, pretty fast. ISPC up there to 1960s. BFRI at 713, 714s. We got LGBN moving up there. It's at $33 a share. So we'll see if LGBN can pull like a red to green move now. Let me know if BFRI starts to run, guys. SPY ripping up. We're gonna wait, but we might trade the SPY some today. Look, ISPC ripping up too. So yeah, we got some movement right now, guys. Prague spike and ISPC trying. Yeah, we got ISPC making a little bit of moves. All right, guys. So ISPC dipping down a little bit. Whoa, what happened with Benzinga scans? Y'all running into issues too? Oh, wait, there we go. We fixed it. All right, never mind. Yeah, if you ever have this going on with Benzinga, what you do is you just click pre-market and then go back to regular, and it usually will work. Not always, though, I guess. No. I want the dip. I want the dip. All right, we're in with 10 shares of ISPC. We'll take profits really quick too here. It could slam down really, really quickly. So that's the only problem. And so we'll take profits fast too. If we're going to get out of our losing trade fast, we got to get out of our winning trade fast too. All right, ISPC consolidating over 19s. $30s. All right, we just got in with another 15 shares, but we'll let it test here. We'll get out fast. Yeah, we're gonna get out. Big reversal. slammed down against me, which is alright, it happens. But not really what we wanted to see. Spy is bouncing back up, which I guess we should expect some. It's just down so much that usually we're going to get like an oversold bounce here. Let me catch back up with the chat. Sorry, I can't see the chat because my MacBook died, and we're trying to manage everything, guys, so forgive me if we're not doing the best job. Okay, dope. All right, guys. Yeah, you can. I'll take. I don't know if I'm gonna get it, cats, but you can message it to me. I'll still consider it. You know, like I said, honestly though, to be completely real, it's up to Carol. Carol has asthma, and so like whatever dog we get is gonna usually be dependent on her. And the only reason we're tempted to get a lab is because my mom came over for a few weeks and stayed, and she brought her lab, Molly. And Molly hung out outside. You know, we have a fenced-in yard, and it was perfect. And she didn't bug Carol. Her allergies didn't act up. And then Carol had a lab when she was younger as well that she didn't really get bothered for allergies. So for whatever reason, labs don't bug Carol that much. And so that's the only reason we might get a lab. I feel like Carol's probably going to overpower me. But if I can win that argument with Carol, not argument, but if I can win that battle with Carol over what kind of dog we get, I'll probably get one from you, Richard. But we'll see. It's a big if. All right, Prague, rip it up. We'll see if we can buy a dip at 350s or something like that. Honestly, I'm really missing my mouse right now. All right, ISPC dumped. What about BFRI? What did that do? LGV and down. All right, if we could buy the dip in the SPY, we'll take it. Just a big range right now in the SPY. I don't even know what to do here. The range is so large for the SPY at this point. If we get a dip in the SPY, I might take it, but range is so large. I don't know what to do here. Oh, nice, Shannon. January might be a little bit too long. We really wanted to get the kids one for Christmas, you know. We're on with 200 shares of Prague here. But if we don't, we'll definitely hit you up, Shannon, for sure. But like I said, I think we'll probably end up getting one before then, though, unfortunately. Unless you have, and like I said, we'll consider like a 3 or 4 month old dog too. Like it doesn't have to be a little bitty puppy. If it's like an older like kid dog or like a older puppy, that's fine. That's actually preferable. All right, we're taking a little bit off of Prague here. I like this cup and handle kind of dip V-shaped breakout pattern for Prague, but kind of a weird market, man. We're getting some weird variances. What do y'all think of Prague here? We're also going to buy a little bit of this dip in the spot. Come on. Nope. Every time I try to buy the stupid dip, I get messed up. All right, we're buying that dip in the SPY. Let's see if it works there. This is kind of one of those moments that sometimes the SPY will just reverse really, really quickly and hit lows and then go kind of crazy. And so I'm hoping I don't get stuck in something like that. Just knock on wood somewhere if I can find it. Took a little bit off here, Prague. Terrible fill. Add that size back. Look at ISPC come right back here. I took a little bit off of Prague here too. Hey, Kiro. Hey, Kiro, come here. wait, like what I was gonna say is like, baby, I need my big block Apple charger because this one's not working. So I need that big block Apple. Do you know where it is?
No,
Ask Maddie.
Maddie's sleeping.
Somebody took my big block charger, and it wasn't me. And it was plugged in last night when I went to bed. I'm pretty sure it was. And like now it's gone. So it's either in. Oh, look at yeah, my phone's fully charged. So I either brought it. I could have brought it downstairs in that office. So maybe check in there. It's the big white block charger. All right, we made a little bit on Prague. We're in the SPY here though. I'm really tempted to buy a little bit of ISPC here as well, just 15 shares, but we'll get out of Prague. We'll come back to it. Watching the SPY now. All right, we're at 30 shares of ISPC. See, we got a big breakout for ISPC. This is usually what we want to look for here. Oh man, we're up nicely in it. There goes Prague, man. Prague might have faked me out. I gotta get coffee somewhere. Oh no. Oof. Just got hit on this ISPC trade. Should have held Prague, I guess. Wait, did you water this down? Ugh. All right. BFR is starting to come back up too. SPY, I don't know how I feel about the SPY right now. I'll short it if it sits up right, but if we start losing more than this, we're just gonna bail out. We'll give it one more second for the SPY, but not really loving this. Prague flying up though. Look at Prague. PROG. That's good. This is a little bit too sideways for me now. I'm getting out here. There's too big of a chance that the SPY is going to reverse break lows, and maybe I'll short it if it does, but getting a little bit volatile here for sure. LGVN is halted, is it really? Wow, so LGVN just put a red to green move and then ripped up. Market's about to break lows. This is one of those instances where I'll take a low of the day short, which is very rare. But usually when the market hits this, it's going to break, but maybe not, man. Y'all be careful. I'm not doing that hot the last 2 days. Probably a slow week. It is what it is. Carol. All right, so we're in ISPC. All right, so we're in ISPC here. We're shorting the SPY. Long in ISPC. All right, here's the low of the day break. Good coffee. All right, so we're in ISPC. We're shorting the SPY itself. Typically, we're going to get a drop here. We're going to add a little bit more in the SPY here. Try to get a little bit larger position. See if we can catch a larger drop. All right, we took half off there. All right, there goes LGBN resumption. It's up to 38s. 38s. Taking a little bit more off the SPY, holding 10 shares. We'll add some shares back on a short if it pops back up that we can get a little bit better short entry. All right, we just added another 10. LGBN's flying up. I'm gonna add another 5 share position just so I can have 25 total shares, so it's easier for me to manage. We're gonna get out of this. It's taking too long for ISPC. It's just taking too long to consolidate up there. LGBN up there to 38s. Let me know what you guys think about that. All right, took a little bit off of the SPY. Scalping this pretty nicely here. So we can get a low at the day break. We're gonna just get out there. We'll add back on a pop. It might just slam down. We might miss a little mini low at the day break, but that'll bring us back to not green, but better for sure. Market closes at 1 p.m. I think I'm just going to start shorting the market instead of AMD and Apple when I trade large cap companies. All right, SPY tanked. So like I said, I did miss out on a quick little mini drop, but it's all good. Yeah, LGBN, if it holds over 37, for LGBN, I'm looking at $37 here, $37. So I want to see it bounce off at 37, 36, anywhere around the VWAP area. Like ultimately, if you want to see a stock continue and like have strength, you want to see it break over VWAP, pull back, and then bounce back up to like this $40 level. Like ideally, that would be a big sign of strength that we're looking for in the market here. All right, we're starting to short the SPY a little bit more. What's up with my scans today? Just weird. All right, we're gonna short a little bit more. Prague's still consolidating really nicely, holding a trend fairly well. Looks good. ISPC still trying to. All right, so we're watching the SPY itself. Here's Prague starting to push back up again. Let's watch LGBN to see what happens here. So we're definitely paying attention to LVGN. SPY is edging closer to these lows again. We're going to take a little bit off. Bounced right before we got in. Or right before we got out. I'll be right back, guys. I got to go run to the restroom. This coffee is hitting, so I'll be right back. And then Carol still hadn't come back with my charger, so here, I'm going to meet. All right, we're back. Sorry, I couldn't find my charger. Prague up to the highs again. Here, we're going to short the market a little bit more here. Usually I like the Z-shaped pattern. I finally found my MacBook charger. That's what was taking me so long. Is that my MacBook charger just kind of disappeared. We're going to take a little bit of profit off here at the market. Sorry guys, we finally got everything running again so I can see everything. Look at LGVN. Prague testing highs, looking great. All right, TV, sound good, everybody? Let me know. Sound should be good. DWAC. ISPC slow. Prague ripping up, guys. Look at Prague. You love to see it. Look at Prague. Prague breaking highs. Back up to 360s. Somebody was talking to me. They were like, why do you like Prague so much? You know, it's like Prague's ripping up. Looks good. We're going to go to just get out here. Take the W on the SPY. We'll short back into it if it looks good. I don't know. Maybe I'll jump back in it now. I don't want to get stuck. I don't want to miss a bigger market crash. So I'll just jump in small and then add back on a bounce back up to like 462s, I think is what my plan is. Look at LGVN. What is this doing, man? Prague breaking highs back up to 370s. Hey, did you dilute this?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Why is it like a little baby cup?
Because I took half the cup.
It's like this much.
I know I took some of it and then I diluted.
So it's this much and it's diluted?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
I mean, I could pour some back, but I put
Yeah, it's all right. It's all right.
I just thought you wanted just a little bit.
Yeah, it's all right. All right, so we're going to add some size back to this SPY pop, like I said. Yeah, correct, Lucas. Prague still flying. LGVN halted. LGVN's a little bit too sketch for me though, personally. Like I don't think I want to trade. All right, LGVN. I think LGVN is a little bit too sketchy for me, personally. Too much risk, too many halts on a short-term basis, at least. We're up to 370s. SPY squeezing against me. I don't know. I'm gonna short one more position here. Take a little bit larger swing. Get ready to exit though if it squeezes up against me. I just want to see if it rejects at the VWAP here. Prague's still flying up 380s, 370s. What is LGVN gonna resume? It should resume at 10 a.m. market time. It should resume. So right at 10. Yeah, APVO, we can look at it. DWAC is trying to come back. APVO is trying to. It's trying to make moves. Yeah, LGVN, the only problem is that it's just halted too much. It's too risky short term. Maybe long term, it looks good. It's definitely ripping up huge and making big percentage moves. Looks great over the last week, definitely. I just need to wait for a little bit better entry here instead of trading in here, you know. All right. Taking a little bit off here. Taking a little bit off of there. Holding 10 shares you have left of the SPY. Caught the short. LGVN will resume in like 2 minutes. We'll just get out here. Maybe we'll add some back on the SPY. It's just consolidating a little bit too much. Prague moving up. It's at 370s. PHUN is moving. Yeah, I saw that moving with like DWAC. PHUN, the volume's just too light for me personally. I'm out of day trades right now, so do you suggest looking into any that won't tank over the weekend? I mean, the problem is that you don't know which ones are going to tank. I know it's tempting. The reality of it is you can swing trade. You just got to make sure it's the right trade. Sometimes, to be completely honest, I don't know if I really like this market. It's lower volume with a lot of moves. Market's down big, really weird volatile market. Crypto's crashing down, and so the only plays that I'm really going to be super into right now are plays that might be dip buys. You know what I mean? But I don't know. It's a tough market, so just good luck. I wish you the best. I don't know what's going to happen though, unfortunately. You could. I don't think there's anything wrong with looking for other trades. You just got to make sure that you're not just FOMO trading it because you're out of day trades. You know what I mean? You want to make sure that you actually like the setup, not because market can get tough, difficult, of course. Travel stocks, maybe. Like I said, my only worry. Here, we're just gonna get out of that. My only worry is the dip done or is it gonna keep dipping? If this variant is LGVN resumed, so it did resume right at 10 a.m. So the only problem is that with this new variant scaring so many people, how do we know we're at the bottom? We might not be at the bottom, and that's the risk of buying these dips is because they might keep dipping because we might not be at the bottom. Now we might be. It's certainly a possible thing. It's certainly a possibility that we are at the bottom, but nobody really knows, and so just be ready for that. I think if you're going to buy dips in this market, you need to just set stop losses and be safe. Unless it's a long-term play and you want a dollar cost average or do whatever you want to do there, that's understandable as well. Just be careful. Again, hit the subscribe button. Understand we're not investment professionals. We're definitely not liable if you lose. Good luck. This is not financial advice. Don't sue me, is what I'm trying to say. Yeah, good. Bitcoin needs to come back. And it looks like I should have held my short on the SPY. All right, so here's Prague pulling back some. What do y'all think of this Prague dip? Let's see what the poll's doing. So the poll's got 580 votes. And are you buying this crypto dip? 57% think no. 43% think yes. Yeah, like I said, I think that's flawed thinking. I think the crypto dips historically have worked out very well. And one of the things I'm more confident in is crypto dips. Crypto dips are usually very profitable to get buy into. Should have held my SPY short. AHPI. Yeah, HPI's heading up too. Looks good. Let's see if Prague bounces here at 365s. Something else to consider today, though, guys, is that BitGet. I've had a lot of people asking me about BitGet. If you want to buy the crypto dip, there's a lot of ways you can do it. And BitGet has everything. BitGet has copy trading. So you can literally copy other profitable traders. You can say, hey, I want to copy this guy with 40% of his sizing. So if he's making thousands of dollars a week and you don't want to trade that big, you could say, hey, copy him with a fixed ratio of 40% and then give him a stop loss of 100%. So if he loses over 100% on any specific trade, it gets him out. And so you can protect yourself, analyze which copy traders are the most profitable, and then copy them trade for trade on BitGet. And you can also be a copy trader, earn 10%. So if you're good at crypto trading, you probably should be trading on BitGet because you can earn 10% of what you make everybody else, which adds up quickly because you can get hundreds of followers. Hundreds of people can follow you at once, and that could be some money. Also, you can't, if you're in the US, you can get KYC verified. So people in the US can use BitGet if you're in the US. So you can get KYC verified if you're in the US. You can also spot invest. So you can buy Bitcoin, you can buy Ethereum, you can buy Mana or Engine or Sandbox or, Axie Infinity. You can buy these crypto gaming stocks. You can buy Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. They've got a lot of these altcoins that you want on BitGet to trade. So if you haven't created an account, you might as well, because it's a really dope platform. Right now, for the time being, BitGetX is time limited. There's a deposit bonus of 10% up to $100 right now. Only the first deposit counts during this event. And they're also going to be doing a 100 BGB airdrop for community traders. So if you deposit and trade at least 3 times in futures or copy trading, 100 BGB airdrop for community traders, limited to 50 traders. The trade bonus can also be used to trade in futures and copy trading. Any withdrawal action before trading bonus is completed will cause the trading bonus to be invalid, but you can get up to 10% of your deposit bonus. So for the time being, if you deposit, I think it's like $1,000 or up to $100 trade bonus. So yeah, if you deposit $1,000, you get $100 from BitGet, like 10%. That's an easy 10%. And if you're looking to trade on BitGet, you can. You can also trade crypto futures there as well. So if you want to short Bitcoin or go long on Bitcoin with up to 125 times leverage, you can on BitGet. Super easy to use. They are a sponsor of our video. And so if you want to check out BitGet and help support your boy here, I'll post this link. Check them out. Let me see if there's a link for me to use. I don't think so. I think that it's just any link. Yeah, and so if you want to check out BitGet, here's the link. Sign up, get up to 10% deposit bonus, copy trade, do all that dope stuff, and you can on BitGet for the time being. If you haven't already, you're missing out. Because honestly, I know a lot of these crypto trading platforms that they're cool and everything, but they don't allow US users. So if you're in the US, you got to use a VPN and do all this stuff just so you can trade crypto futures, right? BitGet allows US signups. So if you're in the US, you can use them and you can sign up and you can trade crypto futures and you can short Bitcoin if you want, or you can copy other traders. You can be a copy trader. You can invest. They've got whatever you want over at BitGet. So check it out. There's the link. Definitely red, Sid. Definitely red, bro. BFRI spike it up some. Not a huge red though. It's not like it's. I think I'm probably. Let me check. Ooh, BFRI ripped up here. Here, let me check. Hold on 1 second. Y'all can see my beautiful face right now. So hold on 1 second, guys. Let me check what the P&L is today. Yeah. All right. Hold on 1 second. We are down $4.60 today. That's really not that bad. Okay, we're doing okay. Yeah. Yeah, we're down $4.60 today. That ain't nothing. So we'll see if we get an end green. Oh, wrong one. There we go. Let's see if we get an end green today. All right. Well, I don't know what TOS is doing there. All right. I think we're about to end green if we can. Yeah. All right, we're now green today, guys. So that little trade on the SPY just made us green. So we are green today. And yeah, we'll see what happens. No, yeah, I'm in a big walk-in closet, bro. Hey, thank you, stocks. I mean, to be honest, you complain usually each time I do a BitGet plug, bro. I don't usually promote anything in the first hour or two, so it should be understandable if I spend, 1 to 2 minutes, which is probably what I spent there. It should be a pretty understandable thing. I'm sorry if it bothers you though, sir. But yeah, well, BFRI is now halted here. I don't think halted stock should be illegal necessarily. I just think that circuit breaker halts are going to be pretty common, and they've been around since before I was trading. They've been around for a long time, and so one of the things you got to look at is like the market makers are doing this to try to catch up orders. It usually comes from abnormally high volume out of nowhere, which is what happened with BFRI. Now, I don't know if they use it to slow the stocks down. Yeah, Nvidia, we can look at it. We'll see, Also, speaking of plugs, y'all go check out Benzinga. Benzinga, you can try them out for free without even needing a credit card number. So you can try Benzinga out for free, use their scanners, don't even need a credit card number, completely free. BFRI is resumed, it's at 806. 806. There's the link if you want to check out Benzinga. Like I said, you can try them out for free, try the scanners out without even needing a credit card number for 2 weeks. There's the link for Benzinga. Check it out. They use what, Jan? Yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know why they halt stuff. I know it can definitely slow them down sometimes, but it also can create hype around a specific stock too. Like halts can slow a stock down, but they can also do the opposite and that like pick the stock back up. So when a stock gets halted, a lot of traders talk about it. It kind of spreads the word really, really quickly. We'll see what happens. LGBN holding at the view up. We'll see what if it resumes or if it continues back. SPY's down to 460s. Could have kept shorting it. That downward trend's been really working. BFOI, I don't know, man. We'll see. It's at $8 right now. We'll see if it continues back up. Who knows? There's no shares on the ask for the orders to fill. Oh, jump 10. Yeah, for sure. All right, so LGBN bouncing up. BFRI trying to hold it. It looks like I should have held that SPY short, but we're slightly green right now. We'll take it. I switched to short, got it, and I'm hungover. I don't know, Sid. I don't know what they do, bro. I don't know why. I don't know why certain stocks have to get halted. I do think it kills the momentum to a certain extent, though. I really do. But at the same time, I think on certain situations that it actually helps the momentum too. So I think it can do either one. It just depends on the specific instance of it. I just came for the trading, but stayed for the music. Hey, we got the best beats in town. Yeah, a large majority of penny stocks are fail for sure. That's one of the biggest kind of predatory markets in the stock market is penny stocks. Penny stocks, you can make money with them, but you can also lose money too, and I think they're just so easily manipulatable that it's really tempting for big time gurus to promote them and then slam down and like do all that stuff. You know what I mean? I just think they're so manipulatable. It just causes problems. Smoke alarm's not fixed. We're just in a different room now. AHPI. Let's see if it holds at $9. Usually when we're building up support and it's right around a big whole dollar level and the range is big like this on AHPI, I'm watching like the whole dollar that it's consolidating over. In this case, it would be like $9. So it's right around $9. We'll see if it actually holds there, like what it does. To be honest, I think I'm probably just going to close the stream down, though. I'm green. Kind of a weird market. I don't know if I want to keep toying with the market today, so I think I'll probably just close the stream down. We're green today, ever so slightly green, and that's good. I'm going to enjoy my weekend, enjoy the rest of the day with family since I'm out of town in Louisiana. And so I'm just going to enjoy the weekend, enjoy my day. Like I said, if you want to check out BitGet and buy some of these crypto dips, which is what I'm personally going to be doing the most, I'll post this link one more time. Love you all. I hope you guys have a good weekend. There's the Benzinga link. Like I said, if you want to try them out, get free scanners for 2 weeks and test them out and see if you like them, there's the link. Great scans, great platform, great resource. If you want to check out BitGet and trade crypto like me and get involved with some of these markets, like I said, I've talked to a lot of people about crypto, and I think crypto is one of those things where it's like a lot of people get into the market because they're looking to, take some risk but make some money. And I think if you're doing so, crypto is probably the market you want to do it in. A lot of different altcoins on BitGet. You can copy other traders. Just check it out. Just sign up if you want. Check it out. See how you like it. And I'll post this link one more time. But yeah, y'all enjoy the weekend. I'm going to go hang out with family. Love you all. Good luck. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Oh, real quick before we close it down. Also, go check out Beginner Crypto. We do have a crypto dedicated channel. We haven't had a video out in a few days because we've been busy with the holidays. But go check out Beginner Crypto. It's youtube.com/Beginner Crypto. We got some great content on the channel already. We've got stuff about these. To put it into perspective, guys, my business, my channel partner and I talked about all these crypto gaming stocks. There are tokens before they got really big in the last 2 weeks. We talked about these crypto gaming stocks weeks before they got huge, and we were early. And so we're dropping some gold information on the crypto channel. There's the link. Don't forget to sub to that channel. Like I said, y'all have a good weekend. Y'all stay safe. Love you all, and we'll see you guys Monday morning. Later, team.